Good morning, Fatima. How are you?
Good. How are you?
So good to see you.
Me too.
So we're working on standards 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want to talk about it?
Yeah, sure.
Like how did the lesson match the movie maybe you had in your mind of how it was going to go?
Yeah. To be honest, it was so close to what I was planning before the class. And I had the chance to cover everything and all the activities I was planning to do with the kids. And I noticed that students they like it, and it was very engaging for them. There was a variety of activities from visual, watching videos, think, pair, share, group work.
Do you think they had a favorite?
The favorite, maybe the partner discussion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it the most.
Okay.
Yeah, because it helps students focus their idea, and only two persons are discussing. It's not the whole group doing the work, so it's more specified, let's say.
Right. Kids have more opportunities, right?
Yeah.
To engage together. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. And by the end of the lesson, the exit ticket, like a reflection about what they saw, what they learned in this lesson. And I told the students that lesson, it was like a bridge between ratio and proportion and geometry.
Okay, the bridge.
Yeah.
Right.
So
okay.
we are finalizing the unit of ratio and proportion, but kind of introducing geometry as well. So they need to see the scale between the two images to figure how we find the scale factor and so on.
Yeah, and then tell me just a little bit about how you were using assessment data, because it looked like you were getting quite a bit of formative
Mm-hmm.
data to inform your instruction.
Yeah, correct. So as I said, the activities I prepared, it's it helped me a lot to see like a quick feedback about what the students got. I kept on circulating in class, heard some discussion they had, check the work, correct few misunderstanding. So this was like a quick feedback for me to know that how I can support more the students and make sure that they reach the goals of the lesson.
Yeah, and you seem to have provided quite a few universal supports, because this class you said you have learning support, English language learners, and then you've also got the
high achievers.
Yeah, the higher achievers as well. So it looked like a variety of activities and informing your instruction.
Actually, I tried to scaffold the activities from easy to hard, in order to, as you said, make sure. Yes. So we started with a very easy activity, just let them what they noticed, what they wondered about the difference between two given image. Then we explained in depth what's the difference, what should we be looking for in each image. Then we moved to a simple letter F. They need to
I
check,
saw that, the letter F.
Yeah, so on the graph, they need to count how many squares to find the scale factor between the image, the original one, and they need to notice if there is any relation between that. Then the harder or the last activity, let's say, the polygon. So a full image with a lot of sides, even the inside. So to be honest, even the students with some learning difficulties, they were able to reach this part of the lesson, and they did a great job.
Yeah, because it looked, with your instructional strategies, you were using a lot of modeling. You want to talk about that a bit? It seemed to be a lot of modeling, a lot of great academic discussion.
Yeah.
I noticed the kids are using academic vocabulary. You provided those sentence frames.
Yes. At the beginning of the lesson, the warm-up activity includes a few vocab. We watch a video then that explain in details the vocab, the keyword of the lesson, and what we were looking for in this lesson. Even the exit ticket, I give them like a starter sentence to help them reflect on what they know and the lesson.
Yeah, great. So you feel like it seemed to go really well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my opinion, yes. It
Well,
went
that's
very
great.
well.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
And then the student engagement seemed to be really high.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. Through all the activities we had in this lesson, a lot of the discussion went between the students, and they were very excited to share during.
And how did you feel about the pacing? Did you feel like the pacing was?
It was good.
Yeah,
it was good. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I didn't find that.
Because it seemed to be very responsive to
Mm-hmm.
what the students were.
Yeah.
Like if they got it, you seemed
Yeah.
to. Okay.
We moved to them.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So those are great noticings. Yeah, and then a summative assessment's coming up, so
Yes.
you have all this formative data that can
To this
inform.
content, yeah.
Yeah.
To see.
As you know, as your lessons as you move forward.
Mhm.
And then your lesson, as we talked about, your planning for instruction is very detailed and thorough,
Mhm.
right? You've considered everything,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, you know, now, even though we're by the end of the year, and students are getting, you know, hyper,
Yeah.
and yeah, but even though, you know, we need to have our planning be very well clear and prepared ahead to keep them engaged and on track.
Yeah, and you built such a warm classroom community. Like the kids really respond. I mean, they trust you.
Yeah.
You make them feel comfortable. So I think that helps too, right?
Yeah.
The way
Yeah,
you
of course.
built your community.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you wanted to talk about? And it looks like your partnerships are strategic, right? The Kids Talking. Like I notice it's kind of random, but
Yeah.
like
it is random, but
but a bit strategic.
Yeah,
Like this
and
kid and this kid.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I try to do this as much as I can,
Yeah.
and so I try to put students that need a little bit more support with someone
Yeah.
who can give that support to
Right.
them. Yeah.
Yeah. So this changing the grouping does seem
yeah,
to.
each and every class we have
Yeah,
a different
it helped, right?
grouping. Yeah, it helps a lot.
And yeah, I mean everything seemed it was very thorough. Yeah, I mean, what a great lesson.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Hope
Yeah.
you feel really
Yeah.
satisfied with that and
Yeah,
it went
to-
well. Did it go as well with all the other sections?
Yeah, it did. So same thing. Maybe the class I recorded, it was the most challenging class. It's not that challenging, but because as I said, I have different levels. in
So
that
many
class,
levels, okay.
So many levels.
Right.
But it went very smoothly even with the other sections. I
Oh, great.
teach.
Okay. Yeah. So. Okay. Any final thoughts? And I saw your reflection. You did mention though that the next time you taught it, you would identify more non-examples. Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah.
Like additional practice with non-examples?
Yeah,
Identifying
because it
non-examples?
was, you know, it's the first lesson in
Right.
scale factor.
Right.
Yeah, so I have to show all the examples, all
Yeah.
the like guided step for
Right,
students.
step by step, right,
Exactly.
yeah, the
But,
scaffolding, yeah.
the scaffolding, exactly. But I think maybe for next lesson, give them like the ability to like investigate and find.
Oh, okay, right. Yeah.
On the,
And that would come the next lesson.
Yeah,
right,
of course.
yeah.
Lesson. Yeah.
Building on what they've already
Mhm.
done
Correct.
and informed by your
Correct.
data. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for working with me and what a great lesson.
Thank you so much.